The crypto markets are crashing right now. And honestly, I don't care, because if you have a diversified copy trading strategy, then these crypto crashes mean nothing. If you're copying the right traders on the right networks, you make money when the market goes up, and you make money when the market goes down. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So if you want to be crash proof and making money every single day, copying the most successful traders, not having to do any trades yourself, not worrying about whether the market is going up or down and getting emotional about it, then smash a like on this video and I'll show you everything you need to know. Okay everyone, welcome back to Copy Traderr, where we help you find and copy the best traders so you can make money every single day without having to stare at screens. And I know everyone's freaking out right now because we're in a bear market, the market is crashing even more, there's wars going on everywhere. But honestly, during this time, people are making insane amounts of money. And while your core portfolio, the money of which you are copy trading with, may go down a bit, overall, you could still be making incredible amounts of money right now. And I'll tell you exactly how. If at any time you want to learn more about anything that I'm talking about in this video, then head to copytraderr.com with 2 R's/free guides. And you can opt in to get instant access to our entire library of completely free guides, which will teach you everything you need to know about copy trading on every single network, whether it be Solana, BNB, copy trading on Polymarket, copy trading futures contracts. You'll learn every step of the process that you need to take to be a profitable copy trader. Now let's get back to the video. The first thing you need to know and understand is that when copy trading, the technology is available to copy traders on any network. So we can copy meme coin traders on Solana and BNB. We can copy people who are longing and shorting the market, whether it's BTC, Solana. We can do all this on Jupiter Perps using Odin bots. And we can copy trade people who are trading and making predictions on Polymarket. And when the market crashes, there is money to be made in all of these sectors. First, meme coin trading on Solana and BNB. When the market crashes and the pain is real, memes are thriving. The only times memes won't exist is when literally nothing is happening. Now, I don't want bad news in the world or for anything bad to happen to anyone, but memes are built on the back of emotion, emotional events. And when the market crashes and everyone's losing their mind, you can bet your ass there's so many funny memes about it. And at least it's something that makes us laugh in a moment like that. But people are trading these memes, and if they know what they're doing, they're buying into the right memes. And while the markets are crashing, they are making loads of money. We've got plenty of guides on this channel on how to copy meme coin traders on Solana and BTC. We've got an entire platform, copytraderr.com with 2 R's, with over 15,000 profitable meme coin day traders. You can find their wallets, you can backtest all of their trades to figure out which ones you can win with, which ones you can't, all in about 10 minutes. And people are making a lot of money doing that. The second avenue is trading perpetual contracts or future contracts. Copy trading traders who are longing or shorting the market, whether that be BTC, Solana, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. So if you find a really good trader who's a day trader, they know what they're doing, they have a high win rate, which is very easy to do using OdinBot and the simulators we have available to us at Dune. If you want to learn how to do this, by the way, any of this stuff, we've got absolutely free guides on doing all of this at copytraderr.com with 2 R's/free guides. If you go here, you'll be able to access our free meme coin copy trading guide, our free perps copy trading guide, our free Polymarket copy trading guide, which will show you everything you need to know, where to find the best traders, how to set up your bot, how to fund them, and how to do it successfully, all for free. So you can sign up for that right now. But basically, if you find a good trader who's trading perps and who's longing or shorting BTC, then they know when the market's gonna go up and they know when the market's gonna crash. So when the market crashes and you're copying them, if they enter a short position right before that happens, you're gonna make a crazy amount of money. So if you're holding on to a whole bunch of Solana and BTC in a wallet still, then you're gonna be in pain. But if you're putting a short on BTC and it crashes 20%, then you're gonna make a lot of money, especially if that trader's using leverage. And we talk more about that in the free guides. So whether the market goes up or goes down, you really don't care, because your traders are day trading. They're long in the market when they should, they're shorting the market when they should, and eventually all of it's gonna go back up anyway. Not financial advice, I could be wrong, but nonetheless, the volatile swings are actually your best friend. And the third option you have to make money when the markets are crashing is Polymarket. I mean, Polymarket is the biggest market. it just exploded. Billions of dollars in volume, people making millions of dollars every day. And now there's like 20 bots that are free that you can sign up for right now. I list all of them in our free Polymarket guide, which you can find at copytrader.com/free guides. The link is in the description below. Anyway, people are making predictions on Polymarket, so they can predict whether BTC is going to go up or it's going to go down. So whether BTC goes up or down, if you're copying someone who knows what they're doing, you can be making money. Plus, Polymarket, you can bet on anything. So regardless of what the markets are doing, you can be betting on sports, the World Cup. You can be betting on ridiculous things like what temperature the air is going to reach today. You could even be betting on like peace deals and wars, which I don't do. I don't want to profit from war, but people are making a lot of money doing that. You can be betting on SpaceX and when rockets are going to be launched. And I'm not suggesting you bet on any of this, because why would you know any of this stuff? I don't know any of this stuff, but somebody does. There's someone who works for SpaceX, which knows when all their rockets are going to launch and when they're going to test things. The key is to find those people in their wallets and just copy them. So whenever they make a prediction, within 1 second, you make the same prediction and you make pretty much exactly how much money they do. It's actually crazy. So if you want to learn how to do that and where to find these traders, the best traders, just check out the free guide. I explain everything in there. And that's it. Those are the 3 ways that you can copy trade, which are market crash resilient. Honestly, predictions are independent of whether the market goes up or down. Futures traders are longing and also shorting whether the market goes up or down. And whether the market goes up or down, there's always good meme coins like this one, which just ran crazy today while Bitcoin dropped over 10%. So if you're freaking out when the markets crash, it's because you're not copy trading the right people and in the right way. I don't hold any crypto besides the crypto that I'm using for copy trading. Everything else is in stables or US dollar. And when the market crashes, I'm just buying more stuff that I can copy trade with, and I'm selling when it goes high. So I hope you found this helpful. Again, check out the free guides. They'll teach you how to copy trade on any network and actually make money, because most copy traders don't make money because they are just guessing. We don't guess here, we win. We win with data because the numbers don't lie. But of course, there's nothing guaranteed. This is gambling as well. It could all go south. So always trade responsible and never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, drop a like on this, share this with someone, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.